Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the code you will actually change. Clone or pull the repo now and check out a short-lived branch. Once done, install the precise engine and SDK versions the project expects, because mismatched tools break builds. Make a quick backup or create a branch to protect master. This saves hours if something goes wrong. Next, open the IDE and load the main project file so you can find the module you intend to modify immediately. You now dive into the code. Use search, symbol navigation, or call hierarchy to locate the function you must change. Then make small, focused edits and comment why you're changing behavior so reviewers understand intent. Once you implement a change, run an incremental build and the relevant unit or integration tests. This isolates errors quickly. Make sure to iterate, adjust code, rerun tests, and keep commits small and descriptive so you can bisect later if needed. You finish by validating changes through full playtesting and running the regression suite to catch edge cases. Once confident, commit with a clear message and push your branch, then open a pull request explaining the how and why. After merge, deploy to the staging environment and monitor logs and performance metrics closely. Make sure to have a rollback or hotfix branch ready. If something goes wrong, check build logs first, then bisect commits to isolate the regression quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.